At the Parliament's government audit, the newly appointed Health Minister took center stage. Cho Kyoo-hong promised to focus on improving welfare for minorities. But throughout the day, rival parties clashed over various issues, including the Yoon administration's tax cut plans. Yoon brings the highlights from that session.
On his first day in office, Health Minister Cho Kyoo-hong headed to the National Assembly for a government audit session instead of an inauguration ceremony.
I will do my utmost for the welfare of social minorities and to improve medical services for the vulnerable.
The former Vice Health Minister also laid out plans to contain COVID-19 without social distancing and make South Korea a global bio powerhouse, among other key agendas. Having previously worked in the finance ministry in charge of the budget, he also emphasized the importance of fiscal soundness and investment for what he called sustainable welfare. Cho Kyoo-hong is the first health minister under the Yoon administration. He finally takes up the post that's been vacant for 4 months since President Yoon took office. Meanwhile, the Yoon government's tax cut plan swept through the other audit room. The main opposition Democratic Party called for the plans to be dropped, citing the UK's retraction of similar plans due to concerns over increased debt. Such a concern, the government says, has no relevance to South Korea.
The UK decided to partially drop its tax cut plans, taking the IMF's advice. I'm afraid South Korea could also get the same advice.
The very reason behind the UK's retraction was fiscal soundness. And the UK's program cuts income tax for the top earners, but ours cut income tax for the low-income bracket.
Also under scrutiny was the government's plan to cut the maximum corporate tax from 25% to 22%.
It's a tax cut for the wealthy, isn't it?
The ruling People Power Party went on the defensive, saying it benefits all.
Corporate tax cuts and increased investment facilitate prosperity for small companies, as well as small business owners on the street. The whole city feels the benefits.
The ruling party also called for ease regulations in a bid to attract more domestic companies that have set up businesses abroad to return to South Korea. Kyung-eun, Arirang News.